Hello everyone, welcome back. In many interviews, you will be asked questions on the SQL joins. You will be given two tables and they will ask you to join these two tables and ask you to give the count of the records. Today in this video, we are going to learn about the inner join of SQL. So let's get started. Inner join, also known as equijoin. So inner join, also known as equijoin, and default join, which has a keyword as inner join or just join. To understand the inner join, we will create two tables. One is employee and another is department table. So I have a ready script. So I will copy the script and paste into the MySQL workbench. We are using MySQL workbench as to identify our test results. So I have pasted here. In the first line, I have created the database, used the database, created the employee table, second the department table, inserted the values and inserted the values into the department table, and after that I am selecting both of the tables. So I am running the script. So I ran it and you can see the employee table is get displayed and the department table as well. So we'll go to the Excel sheet to understand how the join works. So I have these two tables created here, employee table and the department tables. So the question is asked to us, display employee names with department names. Display the employee names with the employee departments, sorry. Okay, so we will be solving with this inner join. So we are going to understand how the inner join works. Inner join, so when we write a query for the inner join, so first we have to understand what are the common columns from these two tables. So we can see here department ID in the employee table is associated with or is a common column in the both two tables. The department ID column is also present in the department table. So you can see Salman Khan is in the department 2, which is mapped to the department's department ID 2 as the IT. So Salman Khan is actually in the IT department. And if you see, again there is a one more record in the department table which has the department ID 2 and it has the value as the SE department. Now you will be amazed, or you will be seeing that when we have an inner join, the common column tries to match with each and every value in the another table of the which has the common keys. Okay, so department 2 ID is tries to match with department ID 2 in the department tables, and it also have the department 2 ID as a second record. So these two is going to match with these two records. So the Salman Khan will have two departments. just copy it down. Or we will do one thing, we'll just delete it and we will write down. So the employee name here, so the employee name and the department name. So Salman Khan has a department ID 2. So you can see department 2, and in the department tables 2 ID is present there. So it has a associated value as a IT department. So in the Salman Khan, in front of the Salman Khan, there will be IT department. So in the again, so there is only one record, a Salman Khan is a 2, department 2, but in the department table there is a one more record with the department ID 2, which has the SE as the department table. So these 2 ID is also getting matched with this 2 ID. So there will be again one more record as Salman Khan as SE. So there will be 2 records for the Salman Khan, IT and SE. And again, so it will go to the Deepika Padukone for 3 ID. So we will try to match with the department ID 1, 2, 3. If it finds match in these department IDs, the result will be added to the our result set. So Deepika Padukone has the department ID 3, which is matched to the department's table ID number 3. So Deepika Padukone will be here, and it has the department ID 3, which is associated with the HR department. So the HR will be displayed here. For the John Abraham, there is only one department ID which has associated with the sales department. So John Abraham is in the sales department. And the first, again for the Shah Rukh Khan, there is a department ID 2, and we know that in department table there are 2 records with the department ID 2. One is the IT and another is the SE. So for the Shah Rukh Khan also there will be 2 records, 2 joint records. So Shah Rukh Khan is in the IT department also, and Shah Rukh Khan is in the SE department also. And for the Amir Khan, there is a department ID 3. So department ID is actually HR department. So in front of Amir Khan there will be HR department. So this will be the result set for the inner join. If we join these 2 tables on the common keys or common values, so department ID in the employee table is common with the department ID in the department table. So again, so we get the result set of the inner join, and later they asked you, I want only employee who works in the sales department. Sales department. So after writing the inner join query, you will simply give a where clause well, which has a department name d underscore department equals to sales. That's it. Okay, so we will try to get this result into the MySQL workbench. So when we see the where d underscore department equal to sales, because they want only the employee names who works in the sales department. So in the result set of inner join us, we have John Abraham as a who is working in the sales department. So there is only one record or one employee who works in the sales department. So result set will be there only John Abraham as sales. So there is only one record. So the count is also 1. For this is count is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there will be 7 records. So I will write here the count. Count is 7. And here I will write here count is 1. Okay. So we'll write the query for the SQL join. How it is written, we'll see that. So I opened the SQL workbench and we are going to write the inner join query. So we'll write a first select statement and we'll select the e underscore, or what is the column name, emp dot underscore name. Will give as a employee name, after that comma, and give d underscore name as department. Okay, from employee e. We'll going to give the aliases for this, so that will be easy to understand. So we give e dot employee name and d dot underscore name. So employee e will be the alias for the employee, and we'll join the department table as D, and will be joined on condition e dot emp id equals to d dot d underscore id. So if you run this query, so we are actually doing an inner join, and you can see here so we are going to write the inner join query. So we are going to select the what are the columns for the employee emp underscore name. So we'll give the first aliases for the tables. For employee, we'll use the e as a emp name, department for d underscore name from employee e join department D on the condition. Make sure you always select the department ID, which is the common column. So department, what is the common column? Department ID, and we must give the alias of the employee table equal to d dot D underscore ID. So we have written the query and we are running it. So now you can see in the result set Salman Khan, which works in the IT department, and once again Salman Khan also works in the SE department. Deepika Padukone in the HR department, John Abram in the sales department, Shah Rukh Khan works in the both IT and SE departments, and Amir Khan is in the HR department. So this will copy this and try to match with the our result set. Okay, I will just give here. Okay, now you can see we have got the same result set. So now in the Salman Khan, which works in the IT, Salman Khan in the SE department, Deepika Padukone in the HR, John Abram in the sales, Shah Rukh works in the both IT and SE departments, Amir Khan in the HR department. So the result set, we got the same result set. So you must always think when there is a one key which has two duplicate keys in the child table, it also get matched with these two keys also, like Salman Khan who works in the IT and SE department also, and Shah Rukh Khan who works in the IT department and SE department also. And when the interviewer asks you to find the employee who works in the only in the sales department, so we'll just copy it down above query and paste it here, and we'll just remove the semicolon and put here a where clause, where D underscore name equals to the sales department. After that we semicolon, and we're selecting it and just run it. Now you can see the employee John Abraham is only working in the sales department. Like I earlier said, the John Abraham is the only person who works in the sales department. Now the question is, they don't actually ask you to join these two and give me the join table or give me the join department. They are actually asking you how many counts there will be in the result set. To find the count, we just go to the query again, and after the D dot underscore, we just give the count of star, and that's it. We again run this query and we can get the count of the result set. So we can also give as an alias also here as count of records, count of record. So we will again run it. Now you can see employee name T underscore name count of records is 1, and in the above query we can do same as well. We just copy this count keyword and paste into the comma, paste here, and again we rerun this query. Now you can see the count of records will be 7. You may be seeing in the Salman Khan IT department because we have selected the employee name and the department names. If we remove this, we can get only the counts of the records. So we can see here. Now check, there is only 7 records in the result set. We can do for this also, just remove these columns and rerun this query. The count of records will be the only 1. So I think you might be get well understand about the how inner join works in the SQL. So make sure while writing the query for the inner join, so in the select statement you must select the columns first, columns. After that give the join type, after that join condition, on which column you are actually joining these 2 tables, join condition which is associated with the on. And after that, if you want to filter that table by using where clause, or group that result set by group by, you can do that. So I will write the syntax for that in these 2 tables because we want only the counts. The question was find the count of records, or you join these 2 tables, join employee and department table and find the counts. Count of records in result set. The next question will be find the count of employee who works in sales department. Who works in sales department. So these are the 2 questions we have understood these 2 questions very well. I will just copy it down and paste it into the description, so you can copy the script and run the script in the MySQL workbench or any other database that you might be familiar with. So if you want any other videos, you can always comment it down, so I will be making new videos on the SQL, Scala, Spark, Python. So like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you once again.